Here we go, guys. Another EAS, marine warning. EAS 64, I believe. I think this is like my 5th or 6th EA and marine warning for this specific area. Public information statement.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard
Large
Time.
tornado.
At 4:44 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts and winds to nearly 50 knots. This storm was located 55 nautical miles south of Farewell Buoy, moving northeast at 50 knots. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.
That was shorter.